recording.
Is your foot bedazzled?
I'm still Joe. Still the king.
You drive station wagon.
What? A station wagon? That's not my car. Somebody's fired. I'm Joe Kingman and somebody's fired.
Mr. Kingman, wait, Mr. Kingman.
What?
I'm sorry, but I guess Peyton's allergic to our dog.
Oh, she's allergic to the dog. Oh, yeah, she's allergic to the dog. Oh, really? Well, you're not allergic to Spike.
See the John go.
Bed, now.
I'm not even tired.
Well, I am. Go to bed.
I think you walked out on my mom just to hang around with the sorry likes of that.
What'd you just say?
To think you walked...
I didn't walk out on your mom. She walked out on me.
Oh, really? Because she said you were self-centered and selfish. And that everything always had to be about you.
I know.
She said your head was so swollen she was surprised they made a helmet big enough to fit.
Okay.
Why you trying to take pictures?